In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few practical tips to pick the right domain for your brand. Start by opening your Shopify Admin in your browser and signing in. From your main dashboard, head down to the Settings area. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store's core controls. Inside Settings, look for the Domains section. This page is your home base for everything related to your store's web address. On the Domains page, select Buy New Domain. This option lets you purchase a domain directly through Shopify, which keeps setup simple because Shopify will automatically connect it to your store for you. You'll see a search bar. Type the domain you want, like your brand name, and then press Search. Shopify will return availability results along with a list of suggested alternatives and different extensions, such as COM/store or country-specific options. Take a moment to assess your choices before you pick one. Aim for something short, memorable, and easy to spell. If the exact name you want isn't available, consider small variations, like adding a relevant word, using a different extension, or choosing a local extension if your market is region-specific. Avoid hyphens and numbers if you can, and steer clear of trademark terms. Check the annual pricing. Some extensions cost more than others, and the price you see is typically per year. Many domains also include privacy protection, which hides your contact info from public records. Always a good idea. When you've found the domain that fits, click to select it and proceed to checkout. Review the details carefully, including the billing amount and renewal preferences. Turning on Auto Renew helps ensure your domain doesn't expire unexpectedly. Complete the payment using your existing Shopify billing method. After you finish the purchase, Shopify will take care of the technical setup in the background, including connecting the domain and provisioning SSL so your site loads securely over HTTPS. This can take a little time to finalize, anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. You'll see status indicators on the domains page, and they'll update as everything completes. If you ever decide to use this new domain as your main storefront address, you can manage that right from the same domains area. That's it. You've added a custom domain to Shopify quickly and cleanly with minimal setup. Keep your billing details up to date. Consider enabling Auto Renew, and you'll be set for the long term. Thanks for watching, and happy building!